Welcome back to the channel where we are talking about everything Web3, and more importantly, we focus on launchpads, whether it's Launchpad, Launchpools, IDOs, IFOs, places where you can go and find new token launches. Now, when a token launches, what happens is the price dramatically rises, all right? Volatility goes through the roof because everybody pumps liquidity into the token to get it started. But then, the majority of the time is people take their profit. And I'm here to show you that you can take profit of thousands of % while still holding a token that you believe can go to the moon. Let's get into it. I'll show you my strategy. I'll show you the one that we're going to talk about today, which is XLaunchpad. If you go through the playlist on this channel, you will see we talk about every launchpad there is, okay? Binance being the most popular, all the way down to things like XLaunchpad, which are not well known, but make even more % than you would imagine. So let's get straight into a disclaimer. I'm not a financial advisor, do this for education purposes only. XLaunchpad, let's roll it. All right, here it is, guys, XLaunchpad, okay? And I want to just show you the power of what this can do. But if you go to XLaunchpad, all right, this is where new tokens can apply, okay, just with this apply button and get listed, building liquidity through the Launchpad. So I want to have a look at one of the old ones. You can see I have actually not looked at this yet, okay? So let's go with Ash Swap, all right? View this project and see what went on. Okay, so this project had 70 million Ash offer tokens. It raised over $2.8 million and the price per token at 0.04. So now, guys, what I want to do for you, okay, and you can see here, all right, the timeline was in 2022, phase 2, going through October, and it finished October 28, 2022. So let's have a look at what this actually did. So let's just choose one, okay? The last one on the Launchpad here, all right? Launchpad timeline was June 14th, okay, last month, all right? And it finished on July the 9th, all right? So it was just finished a couple of days ago. Let's see what would have happened if you took my advice, because on a previous video, I actually said to get involved with this. So let's see what would have happened, all right? Price at 0.07 USD for Xoxno. And again, guys, I spoke about this on a previous video. So if you're following the playlist, you will be making crazy money right now. All right, let me show you how much you will be making, all right? So if we go, guys, to the chart like this, if we go, guys, we're on all chart, all right? We go back to when this was launched, okay? Looking over here. All right, you see this has only been around for 1 month. It's been listed on here. This is your listing mark, all right? This is where it was when it listed. Actually, it was below this. You saw that the price here, all right, 0.07 US dollars. So if we go down, you can't even go down. But by the time this was listed on CoinMarketCap, all right, it was already at 0.2. You got it at $0.07, all right? And now it's at $0.2. You can see, guys, that is nearly a 3x on your price just as it gets listed here, all right? Now, so let's say we've already 3x'd and we're here right now. Then, guys, we saw a huge push up to $0.3. So now, guys, if you are sat here and you're looking to take profit, what is that? You can obviously divide that 7, 14, 21. Okay, so that's nearly a 4x. Unbelievable. So you times yours. So say you put $1,000, all right? You put $1,000 into this because you watched my last video and you said, I'm going to give it a shot. You put $1,000 in. You are now sat at a whopping $4,000 if you listen to me and you took your profit right here, all right? But guys, you might be thinking, well, how would I know to take my profit there? I didn't wake up that day. I was too busy that day on the 10th, the next day. All right, always check the next 24 hours after a listing because you never know what it's going to get to. But if you didn't, guys, and you waited and you're just like, oh, I'm only seeing this update now, maybe I've missed out. You have not. You still have a 3x at the mark we're at now. So if you do, take some profit here, guys. Take 2x profit and leave the 1x to hold. All right, guys, that's how incredible it can be. So if you did listen to my last video, that's how advantageous it can be, all right? XLaunchpad is really, really cool. And I told you Xoxno was going to be a huge, okay? 4x on a token in one day. Where can you find that? You can't, all right? If you wanted to 4x on Bitcoin today, you would be waiting the next 5 years, all right? This is why this channel is so important and why it's so important that you listen to all different launchpads that I show. So get involved, guys, all right? The next video, I'm going to be pointing out a brand new up-and-comer that's going to make hopefully another 4x. So make sure you stay tuned. And the like button, hit subscribe, the bell if you're notified, and I'll see you next time.